It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out. So see what's going on. So we at this 520 level again on SPY. We went down yesterday. We kind of broke 510, all that yesterday, man. But we gapped up a little bit overnight. I did catch some of this when we got below 510 yesterday. I hope some of y'all caught some of that, but let's see what the market wants to present to us today. That QQQ actually did work out if you kept it yesterday. But let's see what happens, man. Hope you guys having a great morning. Beer. ORB levels hit yesterday, but I was sidetracked. Didn't really got a little bit of puts on live yesterday, but I made the majority of the money yesterday. About 11, 12 midday. That's when the market was really moving, really trending yesterday. So let's see what the market presents to us today. We really gained back everything we lost yesterday. We dropped down. We really opening back up right around that 520 level. So we want to see how SPY reacts to that 520 level. Got Apple. Apple's above yesterday's high. Tesla is above yesterday's high. Google's above yesterday's high. Netflix shooting up above yesterday's high, above 1,000. Oh man. Okay. Let's go. Let's see what's up. Tesla does have earnings after the bill today, after the market is over. So y'all know Tesla contracts are gonna be sky high rocketing. So let's see if SPY can hold above this 520 level. I am on the 2-minute chart. Right now. I use the 2-minute chart until about 10 a.m. Then 10 a.m. I go to the 5-minute chart. So we got AMD below 85. Here's what I'm watching today, guys. I'm watching this AMD below 85. Netflix above 1,000, which is skyrocketing above 1,000 right now. We might get a pullback. Check out Netflix. Netflix is way over 1,000 right now. I tried Netflix yesterday, but I probably won't try it today. I'll just watch Netflix, see what it does. Six seconds, 5 seconds on this candle. See what happens. I'm gonna load up QQQ puts. Actually, give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Damn. All right, I'm gonna take an early light entry on QQQ puts. Give me 1 second. I'm choosing the 435 puts. Give me 1 second. Let me see. Let me get some confirmation. What time is it? Give me 1 second. Bear. Apple's pulling back. All right, guys. I just took my entry. I just got filled on QQQ puts. I'm real light. 36 seconds on this candle. There we go. We in the money right now. AMD with a nice pullback right here. My hold for a second. My stop loss is this pre-market high right here. I'm in light. Got AMD with a pullback. I'm watching Apple above this pre-market high. Apple right here. Still holding QQQ. Down 6% right now. Oh, I ain't even see y'all in the chat. My bad. What it do? Positive Insights. What it do? Apple had a downgrade. All right. Down 10% right now. I'm real light. Let's see what happens. Set my stop loss right now. I'm down 18%. Let's see if we reject right here. Tesla. Damn, Netflix is taking off. Shit. I'm still in QQQ puts. Kind of sitting by my stop loss here. Give me 1 second. Let's see. We got rejected off spot at 520 yesterday. only down 6% right now. 22 seconds on this candle. Damn, we bouncing back. Shit. Ooh. Sitting in my stop. All right, guys, I'm out of QQQ. I'm watching Apple calls above this fuck. Let me hold real quick. It's 9:40 on the clock. What it do, Eric? What it do? Got stopped out on QQQ puts like 15% loss. I was only in one contract. I'm watching Apple though. Apple calls. There we go. Shit. All right. SPY and QQQ just broke ORB. Top of ORB. I'm pretty sure it's Netflix over there. Netflix got it booming over there. Damn. Tesla as well. Ooh, woo. I'm gonna load up QQQ calls right here, guys. God damn it. All right, guys. I just entered QQQ calls. Let's see what happens right here. All right. What it do, Mason? What it do? I actually took some of that Apple too. I'm up 5% on QQQ. I'm up 3% on Apple. There we go. Up 11% QQQ right now. Stop loss is this ORB right here. Or this 8 EMA that just closed right here. This 8 EMA. I'm up 10% on QQQ. There we go, 12%. what Netflix doing. There we go, guys. 15% QQQ calls. Hell yeah. Netflix still going. There we go, guys. 21%. 21% right now. QQQ calls. 21% right now. 25%. Take a trim. Take a trim. Take a trim. There we go. Take a trim. I'm telling you, take a trim. We're sitting at 20% right now. $9:45 on the clock. 24% right now on QQQ calls. Let's go. 30%. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna take a trim right there. Actually, I'm gonna take profit right there. Hold up. Give me 1 second. I'm still holding. I want to see what this next candle does right here. See how far it wants to pull back. Trim, guys. Make sure you trim. There we go. Apple's up 8% right now. I'm up 33% on QQQ calls, guys. Hell yeah, good shit right there. I told you, if we miss one, hey, I'm gonna get back in it. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find the money now. We up 34% right now. Let's go. See if we can get some more out of this. $50 seconds on this candle. We are on a 2-minute clock. See if we can get some more out of this. If not, I'll take a trim. We at 30%. I'm cool with my 30% at the moment. We at 37% right now. Still holding 22 seconds on this candle. SPY's pulling back to ORB. Yesterday's high. Still up 30%. Let's see what happens on this next candle. If we reject, I will take my scalp. We up 31% right now. All right, guys. I just exited QQQ at 34%. That was a good trade right there. I'm still in Apple calls, though. Still in Apple calls right now. $34% on QQQ. I don't know if any of y'all hit that with me, but I'm still up 8% on Apple calls right now. Damn. Yeah, so all I did, guys, this is all I did right here. I just watched QQQ. I seen we got rejected from that puts. I tried to go in. We got rejected, but it was cool. It was cool. I got stopped out. It was cool. I let it get above yesterday's high right here, this green solid line right here. As soon as we got above that line, I seen we was pulling back a little bit to the line right here. That's the pullback above the ORB right there. It's 9:49 on the clock. So we pulled back right there. And that's when I entered right at the bottom right here. 34%. I'm still in Apple calls though. That's why I just took my quick scalp right there. Still in Apple calls. Let's see if SPY holds above this level right here. Damn, Tesla taking off. I don't trade stocks when god damn, look at Netflix. Netflix must have had some good news. You see why I scalped that, guys? Look, we pulling back now. That's why I scalped right there. That's why I scalped that 34% right there. Let me see what Apple doing. So yeah, it's okay to get out your trade, let it pull back, take your money, or take a couple contracts out, let it pull back. You know what I'm saying? You want to pay yourself. That's the whole name of the game. We're trying to pay ourselves. So we get up 20, 30%, you need to be taking some money out, man. You know what I'm saying? We pulling back right here. Did anybody get any of that? That quick little outbreak right there on SPY? I'm gonna load up SPY calls right here, guys. SPY's reclaiming that 520 level. The same level we got rejected from yesterday. Give me 1 second. Let it pull back. Yeah, let it pull back to this 520 level. This 520 level is the strong level right here. See if you look here on the 1 hour chart. Look at all these wicks right here. All these wicks, all those hourly candles close right here at this 520 level, right around this level right here. So if we reclaim this, if we reclaim 520, I will take the trade, but give me 1 second. 521. I choose the 521 calls, 522 calls. All right, guys. I just took my entry on spot calls. Let's see if we can reclaim yesterday's high and then get back above ORB. I'm up 5% right there. Still sitting at 5%. See if we get back above yesterday's high. There we go. Stop loss right here is this open price level. If we hit this open price level, I will exit. Right around 520.30. Still sitting up. I'm sitting right around break even right now. If you're afraid, you can exit. $520.30 is my stop. Let's go, SPY. Let's go, SPY. Still on a 2-minute chart. I will move to the 5-minute chart here in a second. QQQ bouncing off of the 8 EMA, but SPY don't want to bounce. Let's go, SPY. I'm up 2% right now. There we go, 5%. Sitting at 4% right now. See if we can reclaim this high of yesterday. Just pulling back. That was a good ass QQQ call right there, right above ORB. All right, SPY, there you go. Get on up there, SPY. We up 5% right now. Come on, SPY, go. There we go. Get on up there. We up 7% right now. There we go. Reclaim that 520. We up 8% right now. I'm gonna take a trim right here. All right. I'm only in runners right now. So when you use enough size, guys, you ain't gotta sit and trade all day. All you need is 10, 15%. Get you a couple hundred out of it. Go on to the next trade. You know what I'm saying? Still up 5%. There we go, SPY. QQQ going. Let's see what the ES doing. So sometimes I use the ES mini futures. Sometimes I use this just to sometimes you'll see the mini futures make the move before SPY does. Hint, 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 hint. I learned that through a mentorship, guy. If you ain't hear what I just said. 15%, guy. We up 15% right now on SPY calls. 46 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens if we stay up above this. We up 16%. We stay up above high of the day. Oh yeah, QQQ going. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If we stay up above this high of the day, I'll hold it for a minute. But I'm up 16% right now. I don't want to see it go back under this high of yesterday. I don't want to see it go back under this high of yesterday. We need to stay up above. We stay up above, we good. If we get the plan around, I might take my money and get up out of there. Wait for the next trade. I'm up 14% right now on spot calls. Oh, we pulling back on yes. I'm up 17% right now. There we go. 18%. Let's go. Get above ORB. Let's go. Let's go, SPY. Let's go. There you go. Hell yeah. 20%, guys. 20% on SPY calls. Let's go, baby. Get on up there, SPY. Get up above that ORB, that open range breakout. There you go. What is Netflix doing over here? We up 20%, guys. I'm in SPY calls right now. Sitting right at 20%. Let's see what this next candle does. Probably scalp this. Sitting at 15% right now. It's pulling back a little bit. This next candle should go, though. 31 seconds, though. It is 10 o'clock. I am going to move to the 5-minute chart, guys. I'm going to move to the 5-minute chart. I'm still sitting up 18% on SPY calls. Hell yeah, there we go. There we go. Take off. I told you that next candle should go. So this 524 right here is a weekly level. So we probably going to start getting weak here in a minute because we definitely will pull back right there. Still sitting at 18%. Hell yeah, there we go. Back to 20% right now. SPY calls. Come on, SPY. Go ahead, get up there. Stop playing. Go ahead, get up there. 21% right now. Get on up there. You need to get above that higher day yesterday. That high of 522.29. We need to get above that. The bulls are in the market. Come on, get on up there. Spot playing around. Netflix slowing down. Oh shit. Big motion right there. Didn't want to go though. Still sitting up 19% on spot calls. I got in right when we reclaimed this ADMA right here. That's when I got in. QQQ, Meta's very bullish. $54 seconds on this candle right here. This next candle, if we close up above yesterday. Oh, look at Apple, motherfucker! I just jumped out of Apple. You bitch. You motherfucker, Apple. Damn, look at that. Clean bounce right off the open range breakout. Pullback right at the open range breakout. That pullback is what got me. That's why I got out. Because I just want to take a quick scalp. Pulled back right at the ORB. Closed above the ORB and took off. Now you see how SPY finna close above the ORB? We should get some after this close. After we close. I'm still up 23% right now. There we go. There we go. This next candle gonna close right outside the ORB. So you see how all that motion we did right there? Now we should go right now. Now we should go. I'm up 25%. So all this pulling back we did right there, you can use that as a support level now. Now you know I'm good up above this level. Y'all did all that pulling back right down there, right around high of yesterday, all that pulling around right there. Now you can use that as a support level. So if we come back down towards this high of yesterday, you want to be starting to get out. You know what I'm saying? You can use this as support, but now it's still pulling back. So let's see. Still up 16%. I'm about to take my scalp and get out of here. See if we bounce back. Four minutes on this candle. I'm on a 5-minute chart, guys. There we go. Back up 22%. Damn, let's get one little break. Get up there to 524 spot, and I'll take my scalp. There we go. 26%. 27%. There we go. 28%. Let's go. Let's go, SPY. There we go. Hell yeah. 32% right now. Let it go. Let it do its thing. I'm about to take my scalp here in a second. Yep, 33%. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. All it's doing is paying you right now. 34%. Still sitting at 31% right now. About to take my scalp. It got some more to go, but I'm okay with my 30%. Y'all know how this Trump market be. Soon as some bad news come out, y'all know the markets can turn around any second. And we're a little oversold on the RSI. We at 72 right now. I'm kind of overextending it right now, but we'll take what we can get out of it. Damn, Apple took off. I was in Apple calls and got out. Still sitting at 29% right now. Let's see what SPY wants to do. One minute on this candle, sitting at 30%, up 30% on SPY calls. There we go. Hell yeah. SPY don't want to hit that 524, huh? 33% right now. Hell yeah, there we go. Get up there. QQQ gone. Damn. I should have got in QQQ, huh? I should have took some of that QQQ. 23 seconds on this candle. We up 36% right now, guys. I'm about to take my scalp. Yeah, I'm about to take my scalp. 10 seconds on this candle. We up 38% right now. 37%. Got a pop right here. There we go. 41%, guys. 41% on SPY calls. I'm up 41% right now. I'm only in one contract. If you think I'm capping, right here. 41%. You can rewind it. I ain't capping. I'm up 45% right now. I only got my last contract in. 45%. I'm just letting my runners run. This is what I do. I let my runners run. Just letting my runners run. That's all I'm doing right now. 45% right now. Let your runners run. All right, guys. We're at 45%. Let me take my scalp. I'm going to get out right here at 45%. Good trade. Good trade. All right. 45%. Yeah, good trade, man. Appreciate that. Johnny, what it do, my boy? Oh, yeah, good trade. We got 34% on QQQ and we got 45% on SPY. Good fucking day, man. Good fucking day. Good fucking day. We hit that QQQ up real early. I want to go over this trade right quick. So earlier I got in puts. I got stopped out. But I seen QQQ reclaiming that VWAP right here. That white line is VWAP. I seen QQQ reclaiming that VWAP. Then we got up above pre-market high and yesterday's high. We reclaimed yesterday's high on QQQ. And we got up above the ORB. And then we kind of pulled back a little bit. This is the regular ORB strategy that I use, man. So right here is where I entered. This is the same shit I should have used yesterday, but my mind was everywhere yesterday. Anyway, if your mind ain't right, you ain't gonna trade right. Trust me. We got some good money yesterday, but so yeah. So right here, we came back and retested ORB, and we retested yesterday's high. That's two confluences telling you to get into the play. So we retested ORB and yesterday's high. That's that wick right there, and we got 34% out of that right there. Took our scalp on that one. Got on SPY. SPY was doing the same exact thing, but SPY was actually coming down and bouncing off this 80 MA. How I know SPY was going to bounce off this 80 MA because it's sitting right under this 520 level. This 520 level on SPY. Y'all follow me. Stay with me. Stay with me. This 520 level on SPY, 520. It's the same level that we react from. We reacted from yesterday. You see, we reacted from that 520 level yesterday, right around that level. We reacted from it right here. What was that? Wednesday. And you see all of this right here. Last week, Thursday the 10th. So all this is right around that 520 level. That's showing me that that 520 level is a big reaction level. Look how many times we kept bouncing right here. 520. So all you gotta do is widen your chart out, and see what are we bouncing from. We bouncing from that 520 level. So let's fast track to today's trade off of that 520 level. We went up, came back down. Guess where we retesting at? Right around that 520 level. So I waited to hit that 520 level. Boom. Guess what? The 520 level is bouncing right off the 80 MA. The 80 MA is like, you can use that as a guideline when we trending. You can use the 80 MA as a guideline when we trending. As soon as we came down, bounce off that 520, I said, hey, I'm loading up Spot calls, get in spot calls, 520 level. Boom, right there. 45%. 45%. Good ass trade right there. So, we just had to go back to, you got to go back. I mean, you always got to go back to your technicals, man. Technicals is what's going to work for you. And indicators are like a damn steering wheel to your damn car. I don't see how people don't use indicators. I mean, y'all can have at it, but shit, I need them indicators. You know what I mean? But yeah, what is it? 10:15 on the clock? Damn, I'm kind of up pretty decent on the day. Not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie to you. Good ass day, man. Hell yeah. Now it seemed like we getting back to decent price action stock market shit. You know what I'm saying? Last week was bullshit. If you survived last week, the last week and the last few weeks, when all this tariff shit going on, you a soldier. If you survive, you a soldier. That means don't give up. If you survive, you ain't blow your account. Because as you can see, there's a lot of people blowing their accounts. I know y'all see it online, but you can't get caught in that chop, man. You can't get caught in that chop, and you want to make sure your risk is low. You want to make sure your risk is real low. When I say risk is low, if you got a fucking $5,000 account, I wouldn't trade with no more than $1,000. I wouldn't. That's just me. I would be even less. I wouldn't trade with no more than 500. That's just me. I'll work my way up. Staircases, 100 a day, 100 a day, 200 a day, 200 a day, 200. Just keep working your way up. You know what I'm saying? It's all gonna build up, man. Trust me. I did it. I done it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that ORB strategy that worked today. ORB strategy worked yesterday as well. I'm starting to use this RSI strategy for rejections, but I ain't really got it down pat yet. This new RSI I'm using, it's called the most RSI. Eric, my boy Eric gave that to me. Let's see what everything else doing. That Apple was a good ass trade. Yeah, the ORB been hitting lately, guys. It hasn't been hitting all last week. It was choppy, but it's been hitting this week. It hit yesterday, and the ORB open range breakout, the 15-minute open range breakout hit yesterday as well, towards the downside. So seems like we're getting back to decent price action. You know what I mean? Decent price action. Boy, y'all just don't know how good it feel to get up, press buttons, make money, and call it a day for your work day. You know what I'm saying? Well, when it comes to trading, we got other side hustles, but this is the easiest money you can make, man. If you understand these charts, this is the easiest money you can make. Look at SPY bouncing off of yesterday's high. SPY giving another re-entry. I know a lot of people last week, that was the quit for them. They said, yeah, I'm done with trade. I can't do this no more. Them the one that ain't gonna be there in the long run. And now when I be sitting at the top of my mountain in my mansion, be like, man, why you quit trading, my boy? Why you quit? Wonder what their story gonna be. It ain't for the week though. I tell you that, especially when you get on the losing streak. You really feel like you don't know what the hell you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like this SPY bounce, but we're sitting at that 542 level and QQQ's 442 level. That's a strong weekly level. And purple levels, those are weekly levels. Them spot contracts was like $100 some a contract. When it got to 45, it was like $120 a contract. It paid $120 a contract. Tesla, boy. Tesla had a great ass chart, but I don't trade no charts that got earnings coming up. I just don't. I let the earnings pass, and then I'll trade it after earnings. You know what I'm saying? Good pullback right here on QQQ. Pullback at that 442. Good pullback on SPY. Just a break and retest. Break and retest. It went up. Come back. Let's retest this yesterday's high. See if we really want to be up here on this level. That's all we're doing. We just want to see if we really want to be up here on this level. Come up, retest yesterday's high, and go for takeoff again. If you don't know what a pullback is, sometimes you can do this right here. Go to the line graph. Look at that pullback. See that? Pullback. That's what you want to wait on. Pullback entries. Look at what we got in on SPY. Pullback entry. Just bring the line chart up. Pullback. If you can't see a pullback, bring the line chart up. It'll show you the pullback. Right here on QQQ. Bring the line chart back up. Got one pullback. Another pullback. It's pulling back again. When you pull back, that's when you enter the trade and you just prepare for takeoff. Pull back, enter the trade, prepare for takeoff. We pull back over here to the 9 EMA and we just prepare for takeoff. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. Look, it's doing it again. It's doing it again. Look, pull back. See, when a chart is trending, when a chart is trending, people don't lose, they quit. Ooh, you right about that one. People don't lose, they quit. When a chart is trending, it's easy to find pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Now, when we choppy, that's when it gets hard. When the market is easy, go hard. When the market is hard, go light. Go light. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day, man. We got 2 green trades. We got stopped out on QQQ, a small stop out. But we got 2 green trades, 134%. We got 34% on QQQ right here when we got above this ORB. And then we got 45% in SPY call. We bounced right off of this 9 EMA, got 45% right there. But all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day, man. I'm calling it a day. I'm good for right now. I probably won't even come back to the charts, man. I made my money for the day. I don't want to look at these charts till later on tonight when I'm charting everything. I might look on in the afternoon, but it's what we do. Day trade, get your money, call it a day, come back the next day. But all right, guys, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good day. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. It's your boy Clark. I'm out of here.